Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soft ice candy using Injoy powder. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pack of Injoy ice candy powder, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of sugar. You will also need about 20 to 25 small ice candy plastic bags. Make sure all your mixing bowls and utensils are clean and ready for this fun process. Now, let's mix our delicious ice candy base. Begin by pouring the entire pack of Injoy powder into a large, clean mixing bowl. Slowly add 4 cups of water, stirring constantly to ensure there are no lumps. Next, incorporate 1 cup of sugar, mixing thoroughly until it is completely dissolved. This creates a smooth, flavorful liquid for your treats. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill the bags. Carefully pour the liquid into each ice candy bag, leaving approximately 1 inch of space at the top. This space is crucial for tying a secure knot. Once filled, tie a tight knot to prevent any spills. Finally, place your filled bags in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or ideally, overnight. Your homemade soft ice candy is now ready to enjoy. Simply take them out of the freezer and serve them chilled. For any remaining treats, store them in an airtight container in the freezer to maintain their freshness. This delightful and easy-to-make dessert is perfect for sharing with family and friends, offering a cool and sweet refreshment anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.